Hey, how you guys doing? It's Dustin Bird here. Just gonna wait for some people to come in and we'll get rolling. I'm really excited to be a part of this Digital Creative Arts Center here in London with Mario and the whole team there. It's really cool. I was fortunate enough to be able to go and check it out as it was getting up and rolling, and that place is unreal. It's really something special. So if you're in the London area and you're looking to collaborate with other musicians and stuff like that, that's a good place to start. I have a single out right now that I'm pretty stoked about. So thought I'd play that here for you. It's called Love Problem. You were sipping on Corona in the corner of the club, a beautiful little mess. So I walked up, said it ain't my business, but I gotta ask why you're here all alone tonight. You said I ain't looking for nothing, 'cause every time someone like you starts something, I fall in love and keep my heart broke. Try to patch it up with an ice cold, then I meet someone. Next thing I know, I'm back where I was, and around it goes. I got a love problem. 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 I said it's funny you should mention that, 'cause I've been walking circles on the same path. Now I ain't trying to take up your night. If you're down, I can save you from them other guys. 'Cause girl, I know what it's like. Been through it far too many times. I fall in love and get my heart broke. Try to patch it up with an ice cold, then I meet someone. Next thing I know, I'm back where I was, and around it goes. I got a love problem. 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 They say two broken hearts can make a whole. But right now, all that I know is that I'm feeling a spark like I've never felt before. Maybe we could take it slow and fall in love and get my heart broke. Try to patch it up with an ice cold, then I meet someone. Next thing I know, I'm back where I was, and around it goes. I got a love problem. 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 Oh, yeah. Oh. Yeah, so that's my brand new single, Love Problem. It's out everywhere right now, streaming platforms. It's going to be hitting some radio stations here soon. So that's pretty exciting. Yeah, so this is the Digital Creative Arts Center here. For you guys who don't know me, I'm Dustin Bird. I'm a local Ontario boy. And yeah, I've been lucky enough to be able to work with these guys a little bit and to check out what they got going on and to support it and be a part of it. So that's really exciting for me, and I'm excited to be here with you guys and just be able to play some songs for you and get in front of you. So with Love Problem, the reason that I think I'm so stoked about that single is because it's a really real story for me. It's about what I've seen time and time again out at the club and well, when we were able to go out anyways. you know, my buddy's like just getting through breakups and stuff, and I mean, I've been there too, and you just kind of, you just go out there and you're basically kind of looking to do it all over again, you know what I mean? It's just kind of this self-feeding cycle, and it's a really, really kind of unhealthy thing, but I think it's something that we all go through at one time or another, so I'm really happy with that song, and I'm hoping that you guys like it as well. So go check it out on Spotify or Apple or wherever, and let me know what you think. I had a single drop. When was it? I suppose it was. Well, yeah, it would have been January. This song I didn't write. This was pitched to me. I was working with a producer named Jeff Dalzio, and he said, "Hey man, like I've got this pop song that Tyler Shaw and I did probably like a few years ago now," and I was like, "Cool, we'll send it over." And as soon as I heard it, I'm like, "That's a country song." I was like, "That's straight up a country song," and it's called Unscripted, and it's a really fun kind of tune that just kind of talks about the fact that not everything needs to be planned in life and in love, and I think that's a really kind of universal message, and it really resonates with me. So this is Unscripted. It's funny how life is like they do, always prepared, never taking the chances with romances like they are too scared. But when we're gone, they'll write about us and talk about what they did. But for now, I don't know, it's unscripted. And baby, don't you worry about tomorrow. And if we somehow lose our way, I know I never had a map to find your heart, so I could do it again. 'Cause our kind of love is unscripted. They say that we're stupid the way that we do it. I don't think they know how to live in the moment and own it and learn to let it go. But when we're gone, they'll write about us and talk about what we did. But for now, I know it's unscripted. And baby, don't you worry about tomorrow. And if we somehow lose our way, I know I never had a man to find your heart, so I could do it again. 'Cause our kind of love is unscripted. The thing I love about it is how it's such a mystery. We don't think about it, how we're making history. And baby, don't you worry about tomorrow. And if we somehow lose our way, I know I never ever meant to find your heart, so I could do it again. 'Cause our kind of love is unscripted. Yeah, so that's Unscripted. Man, I love the sound of the production on that song. It is such a massive country song, and yeah, like I said just before I played it, this was a pop song that was pitched to me. So when we took it on as a country tune, we had some great players from around the country, and obviously Jeff Delzio is a fabulous producer, and so he just kind of brought it all together, and the production on that thing is massive. So I'm just super stoked about that song. It's at radio right now, so you can request it. If you're in London, you can request it there, and wherever you are around Canada. But I'm just so happy with that song. And before that song, back in September, I released a song called People. And this was a song I didn't actually think I was going to be releasing. I co-wrote it with an artist, and I thought it was going to be for him. But we sat with it. We sat with it for probably a couple months, and my manager, Jeremy, was like, man, like, I think you should cut this. And I was like, well, what if we get, some features on it? It's a really kind of universally applicable song, I suppose. So I was like, why don't we get some features on it? He's like, man, like, I just think this is really you. And so I was like, okay. So I'm a producer as well, so some of the stuff I produce. And so I went in and I produced this song, and I was like, yeah, Jeremy was right. This is a me kind of song. And I couldn't see it when I wrote it, I think, because I just never went into it thinking it was going to be for me. But once I laid it down, I instantly connected with it, and I started playing it at shows, and I started hearing the stories from people on, this line really, like, I went through that, and that's just really cool to hear and to get to experience. So I'm really excited about this. I haven't played this in a while. This is called People. If you guys like this tune and just all these tunes, yeah, they're all over on my Spotify and Apple Music and all that sort of stuff. But yeah, I mean, let me know what you think about them. I'd love to chat with you guys. So this is People. We're the Friday night light shining on us boys, soaking in the sound of the hometown noise, where the kids escaped out to the edge of town, found our own kind of crowd, where the late night server closing down the bar, cutting off the man with the broken heart. And we're all him every now and then, raised up and shot down, 'cause we're the lovers and the haters, we're the lost and the savers, leaning on each other, givers and takers, the heartbroken and the heartbreakers, we're the dreamers, high achievers, we're the knocked down non-believers, we're all somebody in the crowd, we just wanna be needed. You were just people. We're the brand new face down on Broadway, Dad's old guitar, and someone to say we're a girl and a guy, laughing eyes, falling one song at a time, 'cause we're the lovers and the haters, we're the lost and the savers, leaning on each other, the givers and takers, the heartbroken and the heartbreakers, we're the dreamers, high achievers, we're the knocked down non-believers, we're all somebody in the crowd, we just wanna be needed. You were just people. We're just people. 'Cause we're the lovers and the haters, the lost and the savers, leaning on each other, givers and takers, the heartbroken and the heartbreakers, we're the dreamers, high achievers, we're the knocked down non-believers, You were all somebody in the crowd, we just wanna be near. You were just people. You were just people. And that is my tune, People. That about wraps it up for my performing here. So thank you guys who tuned in and have stuck around and stuff for listening. Like I said, yeah, just hit me up if you have anything you want to say about the tunes, and you just want to ask me something or whatever. My inbox is open, so I'm totally down to chat with you guys. Thank you so much to the Digital Creative Arts Center there in London for having me on your platform here and letting me sing some tunes and talk about myself for a little bit. So yeah, I hope you guys are taking it easy, and we'll see you guys soon. Thanks.